What's up everybody, welcome back for a brand new video. Thank you all for tuning in today. And I just made an impulse decision. I don't know if it's a good one or it's a bad one. I think it's long overdue that I needed to do this already to the car. I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade the door speakers all over my Mustang and the rears, and get a subwoofer, get an amp, the whole full audio setup, guys. I don't know, I'm not like this audio geek guy. I don't know a lot of it. It's like pretty much like the first time I'm doing this. But after 5 years, the stock ones already went out. My dad the other day was making fun of me. So my dad bullied me into getting new speakers. So I'm just gonna go all out and I'm gonna hopefully impress him, and he won't tell me anything after that. But yeah guys, 4 new speakers, subwoofer, and amp, and let's get to it. Guys, can I please get like a thumbs up for this guy, man. Barney's always coming in clutch whenever it comes to installs and stuff like that. This guy's day one homie. Go check him out on Instagram. I know he's trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. What's your Instagram? It's Manuel_50. I'll leave it somewhere around here, guys. But help him reach 1,000 followers on Instagram, guys. He always helps me out whenever I need it, and he's kind of an audio tech guy, so he's gonna go ahead and help me out. One day, guys, we're gonna own one of these babies right there. But for now, it's fine. Oh, you haven't messed with the, you haven't been in it with the tune, right?
No.
All right, let's give Barney a tour of the new tune, guys. Let's see how he likes it. Remember, Barney owns a V8, so he's in a V6. So let's see what's up. Let's get Barney's reaction.
Big difference with the tune.
You think so? Pretty good, right? It throws you back, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Don't need a rematch. The last time I raced Barney, it was on the 93 tune, but I didn't mention it to you guys. I do have a 93 Performance version 2 now, which is an updated version of my tune. So I need to see how the car matches up against Barney. So be expecting probably part 2 to that race. I know he beat me last time, but we're gonna get there, guys. We're gonna beat this 5-0, just watch. All right, guys, we're finally back, and $600 later. Let me show you guys the setup. Oh wait, we can't go on with the video without a cold start. Let me just give you a quick overview of everything we picked up. I ended up getting the 12-inch sub box with the 12-inch kicker subwoofer. I did get 2 6x8s, again kicker, so I went all around kicker with the kicker amp right here. Something simple but enough to get some power out of this thing, and just the kit right here to get everything ready. So again, Barney's gonna help me get everything set up. Hopefully it'll be finished by today. We're thinking what, a few hours? Few hours. Good thing we have the roof, but the sun doesn't help, guys, because it's freaking blazing outside. It's like 100 and some degrees, but we're gonna get it done. He's gonna let me drive the 5-0 because your boy forgot his tools at home, so we gotta go get the tools before we get started on the radio. Woo! Dang!
Treat it right.
Barney's making me really want a 5-0, man. Should I trade in the V6 and just screw it, get a V8? Dang, this sounds like 100 times better, feels so much better. I don't know, it's coming from a V6 owner, like it's just like way different compared to mine. Woohoo! Tools are in the car. Now let's just see how good this V8 feels. I want one. That's all I gotta say is I want one. So in order to access the back of the door panel, there's a bunch of little bolts that go right here all around the door panel, and then there's gonna be some behind this trim, the door handle trim, the one where the window trim, and this trim right here. So there's 3, 1, 2, and 3. Once all of them are off, you just pull it off pretty easy, and then you have access to your speaker. And you can see you have these bolts as well. Remove it, and then you'll be able to put in the new speakers. Look what happened. This is the old speaker. That's like the new updated version. I believe it's the same style, just like that's the new one. I guess I'm not fully stocked when it comes to audio. I remember now that like 2 years ago, my left speaker went out on my car, and Barney ended up giving me like a spare speaker. So my car's kind of like Frankenstein. Oh, get it. Oh, oh, hit it. Oh, hit it. Oh, oh, hit it, hit it. Alright guys, the speaker is bolted up, but like always double check your work and make sure it works. Works. I don't know.
Out with the old, in with the simple.
Limited time offer ends
That works.
9/30/2020. Standard high-speed data allotment on all redemption.
Alright, that works. Now let's get on to the other three. Quick update. We already finished up the front door speakers. Now we're actually moving on to the rear speakers. Barney is in the front trying to take care of all the subwoofer wire. You can see all that stuff out there. The rest of the rear door panels are right there. So that's the toughest part, man. I really honestly hope I never have to, well, at least I know at one point I will, but not anytime soon, have to replace those, because they are a pain in the rear to change out. And I heard there's some bolts back there that are pretty hard to reach too, but that's the update right now. Barney's working on all the wiring from the front to the rear so I can get that subwoofer connected. I don't know if I'll be done today, hopefully soon, but yeah, man, it's a lot of work. So just a quick comparison, guys, between the stock speaker and the new and improved kicker speaker right here. You can tell this one's like just really bad, like it looks pretty cheap. And it feels like paper actually, and this one just feels a lot better, a lot sturdier, a lot heavier too. So it just looks cool. I mean, nobody's gonna see it, but it just looks a lot better.
5 hours later.
What's that, man?
Get me out!
Oh shoot! Hey, what are you doing in there?
Forgot about me here.
Oh, my bad. Laters. Oh.
We're in the back.
Love it. Gotta love it. Just love it. I officially know my car inside and out. We've like gutted the whole car out. That's the rear. Oh, we put the door panels back, but it's pretty much gutted out, man. We're ready for the track. What, Bernie? Right?
Yeah, we're ready.
Let's go. Another update, 10:39, and we're still working on it. All the speakers are working and just trying to connect that sub, all that wiring back here. Freaking tired right now. On the bright side, I did get new decal stickers. Thumbs up, thanks Kicker for that. Made the whole process like worth it. Moment of truth, we're gonna connect everything and just hopefully pray to God that everything turns out works. No, it's not working. Oh no. Finally, guys, she is up and running. Sounds freaking good. Thanks to the homie Barney as always, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this this guy was kind of boring, but it's kind of a vlog. Here's my audio setup, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Catch you guys in the next one. God bless.